My name is Tanya, and I'm going to be helping Papa today. We're going to look for what you look in a good breakout. Is this a good breakout? This is not a good breakout. What is the problem with this breakout? The problem is that it did not close at the high point. This is a good breakout. This is a good breakout. This had a breakout here, and it went up for 4 days. After that, it went sideways. Now it is breaking out. This is a very good breakout. This stock went up, then sideways, and then is breaking out. This is a good breakout. Stock went up here, is going sideways, and is breaking out. This is a very good breakout. Stock went up and then went sideways and then is breaking out. This is a good breakout. Stock went up, it went sideways and is breaking out. This is a good breakout. Stock went up, went sideways and is breaking out again. This is a very good breakout. It went up and then is going sideways and is breaking out. This is another good breakout. Stock went up and this goes sideways and is breaking out. This is a good breakout. Stock went up and then sideways, now it is breaking out. This is another good breakout. Stock went up and then sideways and then is breaking out. This is a good breakout. Stock went up, went sideways and is breaking out. This is a very good breakout. Stock went up and it went sideways and is breaking out. So now you understand what is a good breakout. Stock should go up and then sideways and then break out. If you do this daily, you will know what to look at in a breakout. And that is all from Tanya today. Okay. Good night.